Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're giving very much pink on the eyes. I did a lot of pink blush today, even under my eyes. You'll see how I got that. Even though I feel like it kind of dried me out a little bit, but it still turned out really cute. I just want to do something really cute and simple today. A cute little Valentine's look, you know, anybody can do this, alright? Especially for the girls, you know, like to be real dolled and pinked up, okay? This is especially for you, okay? So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Keep watching so you can see how I got this look and you can get it too. And I'll see you in my next one. Starting with the primer, I'm going to use the NYX Honey Do Me Up. I haven't used this in such a long time. This is like a staple of mine when I first started doing makeup. And this primer gives me like that dewy base, just like it says on the bottle. This is like really good if you have a dry skin or during the winter. Even though I do have oily skin, my skin gets a little dry during the winter time. Ain't like I go outside during the winter, but still. And I am going to use a little bit of the e.l.f. and just put it right here in my forehead because that's where I get the oiliest, and then around my T-zone area. Alright, going into foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Luminous Skin Tint. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to use the Morphe Filter Effect and then the Makeup Revolution Filter Finish, something like that. And y'all know I use two concealer shades, so the first one I use is always something a little darker, just to cover up my dark circles because I don't color correct. I probably should, but I don't know, I just don't feel a need for it when I can just do this and it works the same. And I don't like a lot of product under my eyes, so I think that's another reason why I don't. Okay, so for under my eyes, I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place liquid blush along with the Makeup Revolution blush balm. The colors are kind of close together, so y'all know when they put like two blush colors like right next to the concealer and blend it in. I'm going to do this because I'm doing a pink look. You know, I'm doing the whole Valentine's Day series, so yeah, let's go tie into the eye look, okay? All right. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they put the lightest shade first. Okay, that's enough. And I am still gonna put some blush on my cheeks. And this blush is like really sheer, this Makeup Revolution one. Okay, then I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place blush. I'll put that on my cheek first, and then what's left, I'll just put it under my eye. I did it before and it came out really cute, so hopefully we have the same results. Okay, so I'm blending out the concealer first, as much as I can on both sides, and then I'm going to go in to blend out the blush and bring it over. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I kind of did this wrong. So I think you're supposed to put concealer here, here, and then have the blush like towards out and in. Oh well, we'll see. I don't know why I'm just now thinking about that. Okay, it don't look too bad. I think we'll be okay. And I'm using the one size powder. And for blush, I'm going to use the Scratch by Cat Feline blush palette. I'm going to take that light pink right there, and I may mix a little bit of the fuchsia pink. I'm not really sure. So for highlight, I'm going to use, this is from Touch by Fancy Cosmetics. She's on Instagram. And I'm going to use this top one right here. This is in the shade Love Spell. So it's like a pink highlighter. It's really cute. Got a little iridescent to it. This is the inside of it. And it blend right in with the blush. I love that. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I want to do a hot pink, maybe pastel pink smoky eye. I'm not sure what else, but that's all we got right now. Okay. Okay, and I am going to use the eyeshadow primer for this, just so the color can have something to stick on and make it pop just a little bit more. And I'm kind of just focusing this right on my lids. I don't want to bring it up too far. Okay, so this is the pink I'm using. I'm using the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, but you can use any pink shadow that you have. You don't have to, if you have this palette, that's fine, but you know, you don't have to. Any pink will do. Okay, and then I kind of want to put a little bit of hot pink just like on the outer corner a little bit. Bring out my handy dandy rhinestones. I think I'm gonna put some just like right here. Okay, so I do have a purple eyeliner. We'll go put this in a waterline instead. And I got this from one of my friends on Instagram. I'm not sure if she was launching a makeup brand, and I don't know, but she sent me a couple products and this eyeliner was one of them, okay? Something is missing, or it just may be a whole lot of pink that I'm not used to. That may be it. Because I don't really wear pink eyeshadow like this. Like during Valentine's Day, this is the closest that I'm going to get to wearing all this pink. Because other than that, it's not happening. I like these with this. Okay, for lip liner, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place lip pencil with the shade So Rare. Okay, these lashes, I got these from Amazon. I think I like them. They're kind of cute. They kind of like ruffled at the end a little bit and at the beginning. Okay, for my lips, I'm not going to do too much. I mean, I never do anyway, but still.